Hey coders, how's it going? Mohamedou here, back again. And throughout this lesson, we'll be learning about operators in Python. So operators are special symbols or characters that are used to perform operations on different data types. They allow you to manipulate data, perform calculations, compare values, and make decisions in your code. Python has many different classes of operators, such as comparison operators. So think of the greater than sign, the less than sign, also equal to. In addition, Python also has arithmetic operators. So think of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are also many other kinds of operators in Python. For now, however, we will only be focusing on arithmetic operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponent. So throughout these videos, we will dive deeper into each one and explain how they work. So I'll see you all in the next few videos. The addition operator is used to perform addition, which combines two or more values together to produce their sum. For those who are familiar with math, this should sound familiar because the same addition operator that's used in Python is the same addition operator that's used in math. Now in Python, to represent the addition operator, we use the plus sign. Now in Python, the addition operator is not only used to combine numbers, but it is also used to combine lists and strings. The subtraction operator is used to perform subtraction, which calculates the difference between two or more values. For those who are familiar with math, this should sound familiar, because the same subtraction operator that's used in Python is the same subtraction operator that's used in math. The subtraction operator can only be used with numbers, such as integers and floats. And to represent the subtraction operator in Python, we use the minus sign. The multiplication operator is used to perform multiplication, which calculates the product of two or more numbers. For those who are familiar with math, this should sound familiar, because the same multiplication operator that's used in Python is the same multiplication operator that's used in math. The multiplication operator also works with different Python types, such as strings and lists. And to represent the multiplication operator in Python, we use the single asterisk. The division operator is used to perform division, which is used to calculate the quotient of one number divided by another. For those who are familiar with math, this should sound familiar, because the same division operator that's used in Python is the same division operator that's used in math. The division operator can only be used with numbers, such as integers and floats. And to represent the division operator, we use the forward slash. The exponent operator is used to perform exponentiation, which raises a base number to the power of an exponent. For those who are familiar with math, this should sound familiar, because the same way that the exponent operator functions in Python is the same way that it functions in math. The exponent operator allows you to calculate the value of a number raised to a specified power. And to represent the exponent operator in Python, we use two consecutive asterisks, side by side. In math, we have something called mathematical operations, which is the correct order in which to solve math problems. And this same holds true in Python. When using arithmetic operations, we must respect the order of mathematical operations. Typically in math, there's an acronym called Pemdas that helps people remember the order of mathematical operations. We can also use the same acronym to help us as we're writing code in Python. Pemdas stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Typically, in other countries, they may refer to this as something different. For example, Bomdas is another popular acronym that can help people remember the order of mathematical operations. Bomdas stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So to give an example of abiding by Pemdas, let's say we have an expression 2 plus 5 times 6. Well, we know that Parentheses or brackets must be evaluated first. So this would evaluate to 7. Next, we would do the multiplication, which is 7 times 6, and that would give us 42. So we'll go ahead and we'll convert this into a comment, and we'll go ahead and we'll add the result. So that's essentially how Pemdas or Bomdas works. And just like in math, how we would use this to help us, we can also do the same thing in Python.